introduction in front of you. My name is Sangappa. I am connecting you from Bangalore. Right now, I am staying in Bangalore. So, if I talk about my qualification, I have done a diploma. If I talk about my family, I have 7 members in my family, me and my wife, my parents, and I have 3 kids. If I talk about my hobbies, are I love to read newspaper. I watch English news channels like NDTV, Republic TV, and nowadays I have one more hobby is that I want to interact with different states peoples to have conversations like that. So that's all about me. Thank you.
Yeah. So nice introduction you gave. Just
Thank you,
right.
sir.
Yeah. And are you a working person?
Yeah, I'm working. I'm working in a government sector. Yeah. Yeah, please tell me, sir, how did you found? What is the reason are you learning this language? Is any specific reason to learn this?
No, there is no specific reason behind learning this language. I am just learning this language to build communication skills, and sometimes I have to travel to different places
Yes.
because of my work. And actually, I work in Indian Railways as a technician, so
Oh,
I have to travel to different places.
yes.
Uh, yeah, because of my work, and there I faced a lot of problems while having communication. So I decided to learn this language because English is spoken everywhere, and this is a global language. Although it is spoken worldwide, so I decided to learn this language, and I'm practicing and doing practice every day, having conversation. I also have a small YouTube channel where I used to upload my conversation videos over there. Yeah, that's
Okay.
it.
Yeah. When did you start your YouTube channel, sir?
Yeah, it is started in June this year. It's been 5 months since I started my YouTube journey, and also my English speaking journey on the same time.
Yeah. You said that you are practicing I think last from July, right?
Yeah,
This
yeah,
language.
June. Since.
Yeah. Apart from this Skype application, are you using any different type of applications?
No, I am not using other application other than this, and
Mm.
I using single application, and that is Skype, and where there are 2 and 3 groups are available, and I am the part of those groups.
Mm.
So yeah, this is a single medium I am using right now.
Yeah, because apart from this Skype application, there are so many applications are there like Eyebrow, Open Talk, and CV applications are there. Every day we can speak 30 minutes or 20 minutes per day free of cost. So sometimes we are not able to speak with video call. That time we can use that applications also as well. Suppose yes, sometimes whenever we are going to traveling that time, and sometime we are making any other some work, so that time we can use this application.
Okay, you can if you like, you can share with me some names of applications, some applications names, and I will look at those applications. And
Okay.
because I have also installed and used some application before, before 1 month ago, before 1 month, but I didn't find any special in those applications, so I uninstalled, and right now I'm using this application only.
Yeah, this is more better because comparing to the audio call, the video call is better because by speaking with video call we can behave very neatly, and we can identify the other stranger persons, the behavior and how they are speaking, how whatever the vocabularies they are using. So we can learn from something from my partner. So this is better, more better compared to the audio calls. This application is very better. Yeah.
Yeah, you are right. You are right. Because over video call, uh, we have to be disciplined. We have to follow discipline and educates. So it demands more dedication compared to audio call.
Yes. Yeah. How long have you been learning this language?
Yeah, and if I honestly tell you that all my study from class 1 to 12 was in Hindi medium, and when I had started my graduation, that time I medium was in English. Medium was English, so I was familiar of English since 2009. But lack of environment or lack of people who don't speak English around me. So I was lacking, and I missed English practice. But I always wanted to join this kind of group, and I have not found before joining this group. So when I joined this group and a platform in June this year, and then I'm working on it, and I'm
Yeah.
practicing. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, this is a very good platform for us because before, when we were in our childhood, that this type of applications and this type of social media were hadn't there. So that's what the time I think we didn't learn this much, because nowadays we have a lot of platforms, and we have social medias. We can learn everything from social medias itself. So we can learn everything from the online classes and from YouTube channels, and so many YouTubers are there in the YouTube channels. We can learn from them, and we can teach them also. So it's very we can what do you say? It's very benefits for us. Yeah,
Yeah,
nowadays the social media is working very kind of a it's kind of a good things. Yeah, we can learn everything from YouTube.
yeah, you are right. And if you have YouTube channel, and then to be consistent, you have to upload regular videos for your YouTube channel, and in the meantime, you are doing practice for your YouTube channel, and your English is improving day by day. So it is very essential and very beneficial for us. And by uploading regular videos on YouTube, you can also improve your English as well.
Of course. Yeah, sir, you said that you are working in Indian Railway Department, right? So have you ever been to our South India, like Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra, Kerala?
Yeah, I have been 2-3 times in South India, and I have Chennai 2 times, where to attend a meeting. I went there, and I also visited Karnataka via Madgaon.
Okay.
Yeah, there is a place Gokarna.
Gokarna, yes.
Yeah, Gokarna.
Yeah. Yeah.
I have been there, and I visited the temple, famous temple, Lord Shiva temple there, and
Yeah.
I have seen tea there, and I have done a lot of activities there.
Yeah, you said that you have been to Gokarna, right? By crossing the Madgaon. Yeah, because Madgaon is the city of Goa. Yeah, have you visited beach and all in Goa?
Yeah, I have visited Goa 2-3 times before.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have been Naga Beach, and South Goa, North Goa, uh,
Mhm.
Food Beach. There are a lot of beaches. I don't remember right now, but I
Yeah.
enjoyed, and uh, we had a lot of fun. I had a lot of fun.
Yes. Yeah. I have also. I have also been 3 to 4 times Goa. It's very nice place, but sometimes it's very costlier compared to other cities. Goa is a little costlier for taking food and all and traveling purpose. If you don't have knowledge about language, the peoples are trying to cheat us. So that's what this language is very important. If we are
Yeah,
not aware of languages, the people are eagerly waiting for cheating for us.
yeah, you are right. And Goa is very costly city. There are inflation is very high. Uh, Product prices of everything, food, clothes, and and rent rooms. If
Yeah,
you
accommodation and all so costly.
yeah. So you
Yeah.
are right. Uh, Yeah, but in Goa, liquor price is low, and
Mm.
and also you can travel by bus. There are a lot of buses available in local buses available in Goa, so you can travel by bus. If you will hire a auto or a personal taxi,
Mm.
then you have to pay extra money and a lot of money. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. And rapid bikes also available. We can use that bikes and taxis and local cities buses are available. So we can use that traveling purpose that vehicles. So it's nice, but comparing to the little costlier. So that's major thing there over there.
Yeah, you are right. We actually I have been Goa with my colleagues.
Mm.
We were all 12 people almost,
Mm.
and we hired their yeah, Rapido bike in
Yes.
500 for a day, and
Yeah.
we had filled fuel ourselves with our money, and
Mm.
we traveled from North Goa to South Goa
Yeah.
uh, by two
Yeah.
wheeler. Yeah,
If you are going to comparing to the local buses or cities, the rapid bikes are little costlier or how? How is it?
yeah. It is very costlier. 500 to 700 for 8 hours. Yeah, it
Per
is.
8 hour.
Yeah,
Yeah.
for you have to deposit or you have to return your scooter or bike to the
Mm.
owner from which you have rented. So
Mm.
it is right. It is costlier.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Actually, I didn't use that rapid bike and all. So when I went that time, I use a local bus from the that bus stop to beach. I used local bus, and actually we went 2 3 peoples went and enjoyed there, and we came. Yeah. That's all.
Local bus stand is not far from railway station, Madgaon railway station. It will be almost
15
uh,
kilometers.
yeah 1 kilometer far from railway station. So
Yes, yes.
you can reach.
I think we have we have gone from Madgaon to beach, right?
Yeah. You are right.
Yes. It's a little not far. It's near to that railway stations to beach. Yes.
Yeah, it is not far from railway station. Just uh, something 2 kilometers something.
Yeah. From the if you want to go for local bus, if you want to use the local bus, it's a nearly 15 kilometer. 15 kilometer bus stop to beach. Yeah, it's a little traffic will be there.
Yeah,
Actually, mm,
yes, there are two parts in Goa. One is called South Goa, and other one is called North Goa. So North Goa, you will North Goa is far from Madgaon, some 25 kilometers far from Madgaon. So
Yeah.
you have to hire bus, or you have to hire bus, and you have to hire taxi, or you have to take bus from local bus stand to reach
Yeah,
North.
actually, one of my friend is staying there. Actually, I didn't know about that area and all. I didn't know about that Konkani language and all. So my friend came and carried out there. Yeah, he is my childhood friend is there. So he took care about everything and all there.
Yeah, it is very beneficial. It is very
Yeah,
it is
otherwise, the local peoples are eagerly always waiting for cheating for food or clothes, everything. They are always trying to cheat us.
yeah, you
But
are.
mm,
If you have local friend, then it becomes easy. Becomes easy for you to travel and to visit Goa in a easy mode. Easy, yeah. So you are right. Uh, they cheat us, and they rip off our of everything if we buy something to them from them.
yes, yeah. Apart from this, you have any questions on me?
Okay. So in which department do you work, sir?
Yeah, I am working in KSRTC, Karnataka State Road Transport Corporation.
Okay. Yeah, it is state government. Yeah, right. Karnataka.
Yes.
Yeah. Good, sir. Very nice.
Yeah,
Okay.
we have completed 21 minutes. Shall we wrap up the session? So in future, one more session we can meet and discuss in another topic.
Yeah, you are right, sir. And it was nice talking to you. It was very excellent session, and we also have enjoyed the session, and we had a lot of talk. And so have a good night. Goodbye. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. And same here. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Okay,
Bye.
sir.